This jungle has existed long before humans ever arrived.
Every sound here has meaning. Every movement tells a story.
He is not just a hunter. He is balance itself.
In this jungle, silence is never empty. Every creature knows when something powerful is near. But strength does not always seek conflict. Some forces exist to protect, not to destroy.
When two kings share one land, the jungle holds its breath.
This moment will decide more than survival. Not every battle begins with a roar. Two forces, one jungle, neither seeking war.
This land knows my steps. I do not fear my silence.
I guard one at staffed.
Not all power is loud. Some power waits. The jungle watches. It always does. Peace here is fragile, but powerful.
This is my home. I will not abandon it.
And I will not let it fall.